G'day guys, welcome to True Blue Touring. We're here at Lorella Springs at Nanny's Retreat. Today's video is going to be all about the trip from the tip all the way down to Lorella Springs. So we left Wroonga Point and headed along the PDR down towards Cairns. We got to about Arch River Roadhouse when we heard this message over the UHF.
So I pulled over and had a look at the damage and could see that there was oil pouring out of the sump. So we decided to leave the car there overnight and head back to Arch River Roadhouse where we used the payphone and called a tow truck for the next morning.
We continued along down to Palmer River Roadhouse. We had a nice camp there, really good showers. We had a look under Oscar's car and noticed that the sway bar links had actually bent right around and the sway bar had crushed some of the brake lines. So we rang roadside assistance, got a tow straight to a brake shop where they made up all new lines for us.
So this left us with 2 cars out of the original 5, and these 2 cars headed back towards Cairns, and we stayed in a house there for a week. And the first night we decided to go check out the nightlife in Cairns, and we went to Gilligan's, and some of the boys decided we'd enter Tim and Tasha into the talent show, and they did a samba dance for us. While we were in Cairns, the old HILUX of mine was getting assessed in Weipa, and the assessor there decided that the car wasn't worth repairing, so it also got towed back to Cairns. And Mum and Dad decided they'd help me out and get me a new car, and they brought that up to Cairns, and we swapped the canopy off the old HILUX and put it on the new car, and I was ready to go. And as a result of this, I am now in very serious debt.
Throughout the rest of the week, we did some repairs on the cars. We ended up doing 2 new radiators, 3 services, 3 front end rebuilds, 2 canopy refits, and 2 sets of suspension for both the coil Landcruisers.
So later that week we picked up CASTY from the airport and finally hit the road towards Atherton.
On the way out to Atherton, Oscar's leading the way through the windy road, and on a blind wet corner, an international tourist was coming on the wrong side of the road. Oscar hit the horn, flashed the lights, and jammed on the brakes as soon as he could. Unfortunately, the other driver didn't make any effort to swerve or hit the brakes, so the accident was somewhat unavoidable. Unfortunately, both cars are being written off. Everyone was okay, which is the main thing, but it's very sad to lose the 40. I just want to say special thanks to everyone who put so much time and effort into building the 40 and making it the car that it was. Specifically, Dad, Mons, Bestafar, and Dave. Without you, it never would have been the car it was. Here's some clips of the 40's best moments.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now?
due to the registration restrictions, it was quite difficult to buy interstate. So we went back to the 40, pulled out all the tools, and sent Oscar on the next flight back to Sydney.
So the remaining 3 cars left Atherton and headed along the Savannah Way, running through some corrugations and some dirt road to where we are now in Lorella Springs.
Takes a beating up animal to pull them all away, rushing me around and it's sending me astray. Don't you lie to me, as we finally got a handle on the doors that we open and shut. Packing on my suitcase cause I'm going far away. I'm going to a place where the credit cards don't decline on me, as we finally got a handle on the doors that we open and shut. Secluded in this faraway place, heading to a land where everything is okay. Don't think suddenly that you and me got a handle on the doors that we open and close. Can you take a little time, go balance your ways? Cause everything we do and we put on display, maybe you and me are a little the same. So what do you think of, or what do we make? She took her time, took my mind, forget mine. Me and my frame of mind, we took our time. She took mine.
Like, oh, go! Oh, and Timmy's off. Oh.
Stay tuned for the next video where we explore the Lorella Springs Wilderness Park.
Subscribe up here, link in the bio for our Instagram.
We miss you, Tasha.